Hey.
Hi, just arrived at EUROPA Park. Yay, kind of a bit delayed. So it's now 11. Like, by the way, EUROPA Park is an amusement park. And now it's like 11 and going home later, 6 p.m. is our bus. Let's see. First, we're gonna show our tickets and everything.
Yeah.
So we finally made inside. By the way, you know what sucks? Like before, actually, you could go here without any test, without showing any vaccination, and without wearing masks. But now, kind of goes again here this time. And it's still limited people, I think. Yeah, I'm so excited for a long time. To be first.
Don't know.
I remember the horror store was like, this one.
Military.
The same, yeah. But here, have that. So, let's see what we got
You're not in a hurry, I'll take care of you. Could have been more sober, getting cold in October. Hope we're not just over 'cause of you. If you're happy and feel better, that's what I'll always ask for you. So don't you worry.
You know what I gotta do? In the first shop's gonna be the horror.
We're in Italy right now.
Yeah, by the way, Italy, and we're gonna go to the ghost. Right? Almost Halloween, guys. We can skip the way.
Oh my god. Get a horror shop, guys. I mean horror. Oh. Yeah, it's good. Oh, nice. Aww. So sweet. So, by the way, we're gonna take a rest now. No, we're so tired. We ordered some cappuccino. And it's also raining outside right now. Bad weather. Bad weather, but let's see what you can do later on. There was a chocolate. They gave us mint. The coffee? I didn't try it yet. Oh, so good because it's still Italy. drinking coffee. And I look also scared because actually I'm afraid of heights.
But this wasn't so high, yeah.
Isn't that high? It only goes down once, twice? And
Twice,
it's like
yeah.
fast. I don't like it so high, no, so many rounds. Like my heart starts accelerating. But it kind of make me awake. Kind of awake now. So it's kind of fun. Happy guys! The ride, one of us is empty, but it's kind of driving itself. So the ghost riding it. How funny! Oh my god! The ghost ride. It's raining, guys. Bad weather, guys. No, it's raining. Now we're looking for something to eat. Can't even just sit down, relax, man. Looks awesome, guys. Looks awesome. I'm by the wet, by the way. Huh? So, gonna go to London. Major island, guys. And we go to the top. Don't get us there.
It's raining so hard. That's why we're in Ireland right now.
The one is raining. It's a major island.
Aww. Wow. We can go there. We can do this. Huh?
Just kidding.
Huh?
No one is here. We're kind of here in the arcade. There's on a plane. So, you need two?
Yeah.
Press the button to start the game. Press the button to start the
Press
game.
the button.
Both players must aim at the same icon. Perfect. Awesome.
One hand.
Concentrate. Good.
By the way, we ate fish and chips. We didn't film anything. We're so hungry. And it was delicious, kind of food. Finally, it stopped raining. It's kind of warm now. I bought this kind of drink that's here at a grocery store. So big. It's like American size. Look. Can't imagine fish. So for one person, so much. They'll write this later.
Yeah, we can.
Finally, it doesn't rain.
It's beautiful out here.
Oh, it's big like my hand. This was kind of different.
Yeah.
Very yummy.
It's like slushy, like the Coke slushy.
So, inside
We are the castle of the Röschen. It's Cinderella. No. Sleeping Beauty in English.
her book. in German and French.
Yeah.
So if you don't understand these both languages, be my guest.
Und die Pferde im Hof standen auf. Die Jagdhunde sprangen auf und bellten.
I ain't gonna say it at all. Oh, it's a... Oh, here's Sleeping Beauty and her prince.
A legend circulated throughout the land.
That is Hansel and Gretel. Or like,
Yeah, like Fairytale. This house, you mean?
or the German fairy tale.
Yes.
Ein Frosch bot ihr an, die Kugel vom Grund des Brunnens heraufzuholen.
So, are you gonna throw a coin into that well? Wishing well! Ooh!
Gonna wish, right?
Come on, you must wish first. I want. Nice. Let's have the wish. That's good. I won't come true. It's raining again. What a weather. So bipolar, man. So annoying.
When you are all out of words, what is there to say? Feeling like my dreams are a curse. Someone show the way. Because I might need someone to help me sleep at night and see another day. When you are all out of words, what is there to say? Fumbling in and out, was within, but now I'll have to live without. Fumbling back and forth, and I wanna go back on what I said. Yeah. What is there to say? Feeling like my dreams are the worst. Someone show the way. Because I might need someone to tuck me in at night and see another day. See another day. When you are all out of words, there's nothing to say.
And we're gonna get wet for sure. That's why I covered my hair. I don't want to get wet.
It's already raining.
I know I'm gonna get wet. It's raining. You're allowed to go on. Woo! Be careful that
Just the two of us.
Yeah. So be careful that you. My butt's already wet.
Yeah.
But that's fine. Oh, let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. But yeah, I don't want my hair to get wet. Oh, that's favorite ride. Woo! This side is good. Let me tell you. Yes. Yeah, we're alone. Woo! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Be careful.
Oh, so busy.
Oh, the best Aquarium.
Yes.
Beautiful. saying anyway, so. In Iceland. So I just want cotton candy. The vices are 8.
So. What is it?
It's a cotton candy.
So.
This is it, by the way. It's almost 6 p.m. and the park's closing at 6 p.m. So I think that's it for the vlog. Hope you enjoy it. And vlog.
Let's just go.
This girl was like bad weather, but in the end we almost tried everything we wanted.
Can we go there? This is the end, huh?
This is the end.
What's our next destination?
I don't know, the next destination. I don't know if we're gonna do anything in September, but in October, November, I have things planned. So, but I don't know now, September, it's getting colder. Oh, there's something outside.
What is this?
It's a last shop. Stuff toys. Didn't win any stuff toys in all the games. So bad.
We tried though.
We tried our best, but we didn't succeed.